Meaning of dumping ground.
Dumping ground.
Dumping ground.
Dumping ground.
Dumping ground. A dumping ground is a location where large amounts of waste or unwanted material are dumped with little regard for proper disposal or environmental impact. It can refer to landfills, illegal dumping sites, or even areas where hazardous materials are abandoned. Dumping grounds can have severe consequences on the environment, including soil and water pollution, harm to wildlife, and negative impacts on human health. Governments and environmental organizations are working to reduce the creation and use of dumping grounds through regulations, education, and sustainable waste management practices.